Let me show you in 5 minutes how you can take your current marketing spend and optimize it by 30% by using result-driven ASO in your app business. I am the founder of Perform Apps. We are a mobile marketing boutique here in Berlin, and what we do is we are helping companies to optimize their marketing spend and also their overall visibility using App Store optimization. What does that mean, result-driven ASO? So we have been working with thriving brands in the app space for 5 years now. We have helped brands like Asana Rebel, we have helped brands like Moodpath, set them up for success in the app space and help them to get more organic users using ASO. Our last project has been MyFitFeed, a fitness nutrition app that we have grown from 0 downloads to 1,200 downloads per day. How we have been doing that is by using those principles that we are going to talk about and how you can use those principles for your app to maximize your marketing spend and use it more effectively. So we have identified 3 major challenges that app companies have when they are trying to optimize their marketing spend. The first one is we all have a focus on the user acquisition part of the funnel. So when we take a look at our app marketing funnel, we have user acquisition and we have our product, and what sits right in between those points is our app product landing page. And what a lot of companies do that are basically publishing the app in a whole lot of countries is that they start to neglect this app product landing page. But let me tell you one thing, it is actually the bottleneck for most of your marketing. Because no matter where you get your traffic from, it always lands on your app product landing page. And by using result-driven ASO, we help you with conversion rate optimization to basically have the best conversion possible for each of your channels by using the tools that the app stores are giving us and also utilizing best practices in order to maximize your conversion. The second one is that apps are missing out on traffic from keywords. When we are in Instagram, and Instagram is the perfect example because they are not doing that. When we are on Instagram, we have a big brand. And because of our brand, we attract a lot of new users. And when we use that attention that we're getting in the app stores actually to leverage our keyword rankings, we can get a huge uplift in traffic. Since we have a lot of traffic, traffic is one of the main denominators for our app store algorithm. In search, we get higher up the search results. So a lot of brands are neglecting that because they think it's too little of traffic that has no real effectiveness. The third thing is when app companies are seeing App Store optimization as a channel. It isn't really a channel like Facebook advertising is an advertising channel, or it isn't a channel like Instagram is where you're building a community and getting new users from, but it's rather like where your app lives. And you want to be in control of where your app lives. When you're actually knowing how the app stores work, then you can leverage that knowledge, meaning you will be in control where your app is ranking in the keyword rankings. You will be in control and have the data of knowing when your app will be ranking in the category rankings. And these are synergistic effects that you can use in order to optimize your positioning in the Apple App Stores and in the Google Play Store. When you are thinking about ASO as a channel, then you're already in a kind of mindset that App Store optimization is just one user acquisition channel. But it's much more than that. It can be your strategic advantage. So in order to utilize App Store optimization for your strategy, this is what we call the ASO cycle. Meaning there's a process that you can implement into your company in order to optimize your CPI, your effective CPI that you're getting at the moment. So let's imagine you're running Facebook ads, you're running Instagram ads, you're doing PR, you're doing fine on the user acquisition side, but you are like we could optimize that and get more users to our app. And you can do that by utilizing App Store optimization. So you might have tried App Store optimization once, meaning you have used it once, but it's actually a process. So with the ASO cycle, we will help you to implement App Store optimization as an integral part of your app marketing. That it's not only your channel where you get a lot of users from, aka your keyword optimization, or it is the leverage that you can use when you get a lot of downloads, meaning you have an app boost in the category rankings. No, it is bringing that system together and helping you from the range of user acquisition to your product to basically make your current bottleneck your biggest multiplicator. So if you want to know if your app company can use App Store optimization for your strategy, what I invite you to do is you can see below a button that you can click and then schedule a time that you can talk to one of our experts, and we will take care and see if we find a fitting strategy for your app business in order to optimize your effective CPI and, in the best case, decrease it by 30% by implementing the ASO cycle and therefore result-driven App Store optimization to your company. Thank you very much and see you next time.